This is important. If I seem a little excited, it's because this is one of those big learning moments for you. Now, take a look. I've created this volatile table in step 1, but look at that beautiful arrow. I've given it a primary index. If you do not define the primary index when you create the volatile table, it defaults to the first column in the table. So you've got an opportunity here to say, I'm going to build a volatile table. Maybe I'm going to join it with another table, or maybe I know what type of queries I'm going to run. Give it a good primary index. And instead of taking a half an hour for a massive query, it might take a half a second. So this is an extremely important opportunity for you to take that next step up and be a superstar. Give your volatile tables a primary index, and here's the technique in which that is done. I've asked this question a million times, and a million times people didn't know the answer. And I basically asked, when two rows are joined together, do they have to physically be on the same amp? And Teradata people go, of course not. Absolutely that they do. But when you hear Teradata and you hear the word join, you actually should be saying those matching rows on customer number equals customer number need to be on the same amp, or Teradata is going to redistribute or duplicate the smaller table across every amp for the life of that query to make that happen. And why it's so important is because that's probably one of the most taxing things on the system. So when you're creating a volatile table and you know you're going to be joining that volatile table to the customer table, for example, on cusno equals cusno, that's why it's so vital that you give that volatile table the primary index of customer number. As you can see here, I've got two tables and I've given them the primary index of customer number, and the volatile, I gave it a primary index of customer number, and the matching customer numbers, customer 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, are on the same amp. That's a brilliant design strategy, and I need you thinking here. If you're going to join that volatile table to other table, you need to make sure the primary index is the join key.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Serving the data warehousing needs of the world for 20 years. Check out coffingdw.com for more information.
Hi, this is Tom Coffing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit subscribe to make sure you are kept up to date on all our videos.